An officer notices a stopped car on the side of the roadway, so he pulls up for a simple welfare check. However, he'll soon realize the owner of the broken down car is hiding something from him.
Where's the tow coming from?
Like down by in town.
Can we hear? You got ID on you? Trying to make sure you're all good. Is it just overheating or?
It just stopped. I don't really know.
Alright, let me just run.
The man's license is good, however, the officer gets reports of a red Dodge Charger being recently referenced to drug-related activity in the area.
Here you go, William.
Thank you so much, sir.
Just overheating, huh? Just
stop. I just put the board in, but this cap is hard to put back on.
Gotcha. He's got a tow coming, so.
Okay.
Thank y'all so much.
Yep. No problem. You want to stand by with me or anything?
It doesn't matter.
All right.
Good. Have a good one. Appreciate it.
Feeling that something's off, the officer questions William one last time before leaving, and then the red flags start to appear.
Where are they coming from?
Down there.
What'd you do to your stick?
No, I caught somebody trying to steal it.
Ah.
They came out trying to steal it. See where it's scraped?
Yeah.
I got cameras at the house, and they tried to steal it. So I came out and caught them.
Where was that at? Around here?
No, it was down in Gurney.
Real quick, nothing illegal in the car? You sure? Okay. Well, I'm one of the K9 guys. You're parked on the roadway here. So I'm just going to walk my dog around the car real quick, all right?
Walk your dog around the car.
All right. If you just want to step over here with my partner.
You staying on this side of me?
Oh.
I'm trying to get you out of the way.
Hey. Because I was going to tell him, he gonna smell the, huh?
What's he gonna smell?
If you got a K9, right?
Yeah.
They pick up scents from when people smoke in the car, anything.
Well, can you and I have a conversation? I'm getting distracted by the phone. Can you and I just have a conversation? I'm getting distracted by the phone.
You're 173 $173 a truck and a
Just talk to
trailer.
us.
I feel like maybe you're worried about something. Just
No, I'm not worried about that. I'm
Okay.
just telling you. Once you walk your dog, like the dog, like if you start like anywhere around here, right? Anywhere. If people smoke in a car or around your car, marijuana get it anywhere. So even
We're
in
not
your
worried about weed. We're not concerned about it.
even in your seat. So I'm telling your dog gonna hit
Okay.
any type of marijuana, anything.
Okay, so let me ask you this. If you're pretty confident the dog's going to hit because of cannabis, right? Is there anything other than cannabis in the vehicle? No.
Hey, William, you're making us real nervous here.
No. I'm seeing if that's him. The truck that just went past.
He had a car in there. Do you have anything in your pocket? What's this?
My wallet, sir. You just seeing that?
I didn't know what
Just
you're
saying.
All right. I'm just going to run around. Have you smoked weed in there today? Yes or no?
I don't smoke. The people I be with smoke. Like my girls smoke. Everybody else smokes. I don't smoke. I can take this test right now. I don't smoke.
I understand you're concerned about the weed. There's nothing other than weed in the vehicle that's illegal? No? Okay.
So,
would you give us consent to search the vehicle?
you can walk it down anyway. Yeah.
I'm just asking you because I know you're concerned about the dog, it seems like. I'm asking you because it seems
I said
like
he
you're
could go ahead and walk the dog.
Okay.
What about consent? Do you give us consent to search? You just want to stand over here with my brother?
Hang out with me. We'll hang out here. We'll hang out up here. Hey, we're gonna hang out up here. He's gonna walk the dog around. I don't want you standing too close to the dog. Can you stand in the grass for me, please? Thank you. Thank you. He's a nice enough dog. You say your girl stays?
Right down the street.
You stay with her?
Yo, what's the point for the dog if I'm just stopped? I'm not illegally parked.
No, you're not. You're still
I'm not,
motoring
it's not
public,
even a
right?
traffic stop.
You're still motoring public.
It's not even an illegal parking spot.
Well, you're still on the roadway here.
Sure there's nothing in there?
To be honest with you, if there is something in there, we can try and work it out. As long as you're honest about it.
I don't give consent to search.
Okay, that's fine. With the exterior hit by the canine, that gives us probable cause to search at that point.
Because he ain't hit on nothing.
We both just saw him lowered on the vehicle.
Right here?
Yeah.
He hit right here.
Yeah.
So look.
And I don't know. Hold on. We're not gonna open it.
Huh?
You get out the driver's door too.
He ain't hit on. Look, I'm telling you, ain't nothing. So,
539,
I need to go back, take him again.
You're not gonna tell us how to do our job.
I'm just saying.
You just said people smoking here all day.
Yeah, they do.
You just told us before the dog's gonna hit in the car. Did you not?
They do. I don't. Okay. Did you see anything out in open view?
Here's the deal. If the dog hit because people smoke in the car or whatever you're saying and there's nothing in there, then okay. But you yourself said the dog's going to hit on the car. That's what he's saying.
Yeah, and that's what he did for cannabis.
Okay. And if there's nothing in there but cannabis, then so be it. We'll be all right. Okay.
So I didn't see him hitting nothing.
Okay, that's fine. It's all on Bodycam. We got Bodycams.
Okay.
All right.
So let me ask you this, right? Now, how am I supposed to legitimately know if he it could be your word.
Our dogs are active alerting dogs.
Listen. It could be your word against mine. It could be your word saying one thing this or one thing that.
So I'm going to explain to you what an alert looks like on our dogs.
Okay.
Our dogs alert by displaying a dig or scratch pattern. I'm trying to explain to you. You don't even want to listen.
No. Answer this, right? So look, if your dog, right, come right here. Let's say this.
Okay, William, we're not going to discuss this right now.
No. Listen, this is
no, William, we're not going to discuss this.
This is what I'm saying, right? So if your dog come right here, right, and hit right here. What's right here? Because I seen him hit right here. I see your dog hit right here.
Okay.
So what's right here?
He did not hit right there.
Yes, he did.
Okay.
I'm telling you.
Okay.
So
you're
look.
Gonna stand over here.
So look.
William, listen.
I'm telling you.
I'm telling you. We're gonna search your car.
That's illegal.
Okay. That's your determination, right?
It's not my determination.
You're parked on the roadway.
So look. I've been sitting here, right?
Okay.
Hold on.
Hey, William,
listen to this.
We're done talking.
No. Listen,
We're done talking. Yep.
If you're done talking, right? Listen. So look. How long have you been sitting there?
I don't have a stopwatch.
How long have you been sitting there?
You said your toe was right down the road.
Yes. And how long have you been sitting there before you finally went and got a dog?
Why does that matter?
Because look, my due process right now is violated because you've been right here and with a dog. Listen, with a dog.
William, I'm done listening to you.
With a dog.
We can't run our dogs without backup anyway.
You have backup. 1, 2.
Wait for me to get here.
You was here.
Number 2, you and I can continue to discuss this over here.
You was here.
You and I can continue to discuss this.
Listen. If you here, he here, right?
William, we're done talking. Now, stay over there.
Listen.
You're going to handcuffs.
I'm not. Listen. I'm going
Just
back.
for our safety.
I'm going back over here. Look. I'm going back.
Our safety.
I'm right here.
At this point,
I'm right
our
here.
safety.
I'm right here. Look.
You haven't
For what? I'm done. Look, I'm done.
Right now.
I'm done, sir.
Stop.
I'm done.
Stop.
Look, my hands is up.
Stop.
My hands is up. For what? For what?
Stop.
For what?
For our safety.
For what?
For our safety.
For my safety.
You want to
What
get
about
bit?
my safety? What about my safety?
This is for your safety.
I haven't done nothing.
No.
Stop.
Get down on the ground. Get down on the ground.
I haven't done nothing.
Get down on the ground, William. You're going to get bit.
120.
You're going to get bit.
Bit by what?
A dog.
I only one day before, I'll break from here and I'll be en route.
Where are you going to go?
I haven't done nothing.
Get the dog.
I'll be en route.
He ain't going anywhere. Get out of the car. You're not going anywhere now, buddy.
William, you will get bit if you do not get out of the vehicle. Watch him. Watch him. Watch him. William, we're gonna break the windows. William, we will break the windows.
County 125, I can clear for my car in accident, and I'll head over to K539.
He's got it pinned by the door. Oh, his left hand? Oh, I see. He got his left hand pinned by the door. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Sit.
Coming out of the car one way or another.
William, we're gonna break the windows. Do it yourself. Do it yourself, or we're doing it for you. We're gonna break the window if you don't come out.
And if you don't come out, you're getting bit. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I did. You know why? Because you're running away. Okay. Sure, William. You can believe whatever you want.
With heavily tinted windows and William being non-compliant, the male officer calls for backup.
Let me see your left hand. Let me see your left hand. Thank you. Keep your hands on the steering wheel. I appreciate you, okay? Listen to me. You're gonna have to get out of the car, okay? Keep your hands on the steering wheel while we talk. Keep your hands on the steering wheel while we talk. Thank you. You're gonna have to get out of the vehicle, my friend. William, you're gonna have to get out of the vehicle. You can do it by yourself, or we're gonna do it.
Hold on one moment. Get off your phone.
Hi, I'm 91.
William, get off your phone.
I'm making sure my lawyer gets it.
Okay. That's the least of your concerns right now, William.
Why? Because you hit me? You slammed the door on me?
It's called resisting arrest.
I didn't.
All units not involved in the 120 East Winter Lake call. Switch to TAC 1. All units switch
We
to
will.
TAC 1.
I stood right there talking.
Okay, William. And you ran away.
Because you was trying to trip me.
Okay.
Who else ain't gonna run? You try to trip
Okay,
me.
William.
Huh?
Okay.
Look at my back. Y'all literally just scratched me for no reason.
Okay.
Of course I feel.
You come up.
County Ida 316. No.
All right, you coming out?
I'm coming out.
Come out. Put your hands behind your back. Unlock the door.
Which car I'm going in?
Unlock the door.
Which car am I going in?
Unlock the door.
I will. Tell me which car I'm going in.
Unlock the door.
Which car am I going in?
William, you want us to break your window? Yes or no?
Which car am I going in?
Unlock the door.
Which car?
You gotta.
What you do that for?
Unlock the door.
I'm coming out. Okay. I'm coming out. Which car am I? Right here. I just don't let you
Hands behind your back now.
behind your back. I'm not behind your back. I'm not. Which car am I going? Which car?
We'll sort that out when we're ready. You just listen to what they're telling you to do.
Come on. Hold on.
You everything I needed to leave on my phone? I just want to get in the car. I appreciate that. I'm going to make sure you don't do weapons before you get in the car, because I don't want to get stabbed, okay?
Just when things seemed over, William has one more trick up his sleeve.
Don't get in the car yet. We're not ready for you to go in the car.
I want to get in the car.
I don't. That means you have something you're not supposed to do. Let's back up.
We're going to the station to strip anyway.
Listen, you're not in control of the situation. I am.
I don't want to be out here.
Make sure that you don't have any weapons.
I don't know.
Once I confirm that you don't have any weapons, you can sit down. We're not going to boot you. We're not going to hurt you, but we're damn sure not to get hurt. Okay? So just stop. You have something that you're not supposed to do.
Right here. Hold on. Leg. Get back.
That's all. He's got something. Yeah, that's what I thought. That would be something you're supposed to have. That's what we're talking about. Let's take your shoes off, too.
Take your shoe off. That's why you ran.
Yeah. That's why he wants to go in the car. That's what I'm saying. Like, I'm not a genius.
You got a thing in your booty hole?
Not stupid.
Tracks or anything? Discuss this. Everything's on body cam. We're not gonna take your ID. We're not gonna take your money.
I'll put the arrow.
This incident took place in McHenry County, Illinois, and as a result, William was charged with 10 different counts. Count 1, meth delivery. Count 2, meth possession. Count 3, heroin manufacturing or delivery. Count 4, heroin possession. Count 5, cocaine manufacture or delivery. Count 6, fentanyl manufacturing or delivery. Count 7, controlled substance possession. Count 8, controlled substance possession. Count 9, resisting police causing an injury. And count 10, obstructing the police. The first 9 counts are all felonies, with the last one, obstructing a police, being a misdemeanor, and as a result of all of these charges, 9 out of the 10 were dropped. But on count 3, heroin manufacturing or delivering in the amount of 15 through 100 grams, which is a Class X felony in Illinois, William was convicted guilty. As a result, he was sentenced to 10 years in prison with over $5,000 in fees. On this specific count, heroin manufacturing or delivery, this is when you are producing or distributing a significant amount of heroin. And although all the other charges were dropped, this charge alone is a pretty big deal. As mentioned, this is a Class X felony, which is the most serious non-murder category in Illinois. This isn't just simple possession, it's distribution level conduct, which is treated much more seriously. Manufacturing or delivery means you're selling, transporting, or intending to sell 15 through 100 grams of heroin, which is considered a major trafficking amount. Prosecutors view this as contributing to drug distribution networks, not just personal use. When you're charged with this, the minimum to maximum prison sentence is 6 through 30 years. And this is mandatory prison if you're guilty, no probation allowed. So yes, 10 years is not the max, it's actually closer to the low to mid-range. And once again, anything over 15 grams of heroin triggers a Class X felony automatically. And considering for this case, William had 10 total counts, which gave prosecutors leverage, and for his plea strategy, he pleaded guilty, which pretty much avoided trial risk. The state dropped the other 9 charges, which reduced the total exposure, and the judge agreed to sentencing him to 10 years. Now, obviously that's a lot of time, but it could have been worse. Pleading guilty does make sense in certain cases, because he could have faced multiple convictions stacked together, potentially exposing him to decades in prison, 20 to 50 plus years, if he was convicted guilty on multiple charges. And it's pretty ironic what started as an engine failure and a simple welfare check eventually led police directly to someone they were looking for in the area, and the rest was history. Let me know your honest thoughts on this case down below in the comments. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.
My due process right now is violated because you've been right here and with a dog. Listen, with a dog.
Wait, I'm done listening to you.
With a dog.
We can't run our dogs without backup anyway.
You had backup. 1, 2.
He's gonna wait for me to get here.
You was here.
Number 2, we can.
You
You and
was
I
here.
can continue to discuss this over here.
You was here.
You and I can continue to discuss this.
Listen. If you here.
Get down on the ground, William. You're gonna get bit.
120.
You're gonna get bit.
About what?
A dog.
County 1 day was 4 operations here in Obion Road.